morning and welcome to the channel. We arrived at Anna Marie Island. We're parked at this this parking spot here at Anna Maria Beach, and it's free parking here, which I was really surprised because normally when you go to the beach you always have to pay for parking. But this spot, it has plenty of little picnic areas, and they have restrooms and they have changing stations for you if you need to go ahead and change your clothes after going to the beach. Anyway, we're parked right between two piers. I'm gonna show it on the map as well, but I'm also gonna put the address in the description below. We just got here before sunrise. From here you can actually see the Skyway Bridge, St. Pete, way in the background. We just got here in the morning, and that's one pier, and this other pier over here, that one you can eat at, but that parking is only for the customers.